In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Instacart Shopper app. Keeping your app up to date is essential for ensuring that you have access to the latest features and security enhancements available. It's a quick process, so let's jump right in. To start, you'll want to grab your device and open up its app store. Now, whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, the process is quite similar. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll head over to the App Store. And if you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search tab. You're looking for the Instacart Shopper app specifically, so type that into your search bar and hit search. Next, access the Instacart Shopper app page by tapping on its icon in the search results. This should take you to the app's dedicated page in the store where you can see all sorts of information about the app, including user reviews, screenshots, and most importantly, whether or not an update is available. Now we're going to check if an update is needed. On this app page, take a look at the button that appears towards the top. If it reads update, you're in luck. Simply tap that button and the app will begin the update process, downloading and installing the latest version right away. This usually only takes a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection. On the other hand, if you see that the button says open, you've already got the latest version of the app and there's no need to update at this time. Feel free to go ahead and tap open to launch the app and continue your work without interruption. Now let's go over a bonus tip. Once you've updated or confirmed you have the latest version of the Instacart Shopper app, you might want to check on any orders you've received. Although I don't currently have any orders in my app, I can still show you how the process works. Open your Instacart Shopper app, navigate to the orders section, and you'll be able to see all your current and past orders. This is also the section where you can manage your orders by canceling or batching them as necessary. And just like that, you're all set. Keeping your apps updated makes a big difference in your user experience and helps you stay on top of any changes or new opportunities in the app. Remember to check periodically for updates to ensure you're always using the most current version of the Instacart Shopper app. Thanks for watching, and keep shopping smart.